thank you. Put it on. In the bag that Daddy gonna bring. Let me look at you, Aurora. Aurora. Hey family, how y'all doing today? You know it's your girl Maria, and welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Alright, so we're taking you to breakfast with us this morning, and we decided to go to the Garden Grill. So it's our first time trying this, and the menu had a lot of options on there. We went through for a bit, and then we did decide on what we're gonna have. Now this is us just chilling right here, checking out the scenery, and it's always a packed place. It's always packed here for lunch. First time for breakfast, but you know you gotta reserve your table. And this is your girl feeding herself just a little bit. Look at my outfit check. Cute, super cute. I love it. All right, so let's get into the food. All right, so what we have here is some soft French toast. We got the Hungry Man. We got some buttermilk pancake. We got the Nashville hot chicken wings. It was amazing. Like, to be honest, the serving was a little bit large for me because I was struggling a bit with my chicken and waffle, which is right here. So this was my chicken and waffle right here. This was an entire meal. Like, if I'm done with this breakfast, I wouldn't have lunch because it was super big. Alright guys, so I ordered the chicken and waffle. Oh. With some waffle. It's very good. And it's spicy. It's gonna be a big bite. So we have chicken and we have waffles. Like it's monster size, you know?
Does someone want to try this? Why not? You want French toast? French toast.
Yes, I'm gonna make. This is the French toast. It's stuffed with something. Oh my god.
Careful.
This is. This is too much of bread. Look at this. Ooh, so it's stuffed with. Ooh, look at that. Come on, we're gonna taste this French toast that mommy make with the bread. Okay? It tastes nice. You can put syrup on it too. So here I am struggling with my waffles and chicken. As I said, the portion was very, very big, and it was a struggle for me to actually finish it. But all in all, it was a 10 out of 10 for me. The portion was good. It was worth the money. Children have been killing us. Oh, can we go to the pool? Can we go to the pool? So we brought their stuff this time, and they went in because we didn't go in. Now they realize that the water is super cold, and they're just standing on the steps there. They're afraid to get into the water, but all in all, I think they had fun, you know, right under the edge right there. Look at the Ranchi cute glasses. Very nice. Yeah, so they had a good time. We had a good time. As I said, I highly recommend you to try the Garden Grill for breakfast. It's a great family spot, you know, couple spot, whatever you want to do. But it's the ambience for me, the food for me, the quality and the service is amazing. So all in all, again, this is a great review from me. Garden Grill for breakfast. You have to check it out. You have to come down and have some fun with your family. A nice little breakfast, Sunday morning. It's a nice Sunday brunch. Beautiful. Absolutely love it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. We had a fantastic time again at the Garden Grill for breakfast. It was amazing. As I said, if you're in the area, please go and check them out. It was a good vibes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share to a friend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.